Basic commands. What command would you use to list all files and directories in a directory? The command is ls. It shows you everything in the current directory. For example, if you type ls and hit enter, you'll see a list of files and folders. How do you check the current working directory? To find out where you are, use pwd. This stands for print working directory. It shows you the full path of your current location. What is the command to copy files or directories? You use cp. For example, cp file1.txt/home/user/ will copy file1.txt to the /home/user/ directory. How do you move or rename files or directories? The command for moving or renaming is mv. If you want to rename a file, use mv oldname.txt newName.txt. To move it, specify the target directory. What command is used to delete files or directories? Use rm to remove files. For directories, you need to use rmr. Be careful with this command as it permanently deletes files and directories. File permissions. How can you change the permissions of a file? The command is gmod. For example, gmod 755 my file sets permissions to read, write, and execute for the owner, and read and execute for others. What does the command gmod 755 file name do? It gives the owner full permissions read, write, and execute while others get read and execute permissions. This is useful for controlling who can access and modify your files. How do you check the permissions of a file or directory? Use lsl. It lists files with detailed information, including permissions. System monitoring. Which command can you use to check the amount of free and used memory on a system? The command is free. It provides a snapshot of your system's memory usage. How do you see a list of running processes? You can use PS auxiliary or top. PS auxiliary shows a snapshot of processes, while top provides a real-time view. What command shows the disk space usage? Use dfh. This command displays disk space usage in a human-readable format, like GB. User and group management. How do you add a new user to the system? Use user@username. This creates a new user account. What command would you use to delete a user? Use user_username. This removes the user from the system. How can you change a user's password? Use password username. This allows you to set or change the user's password. How do you view a list of all users on the system? View /etc/password with cat /etc/password. This file contains a list of all users. Networking. Which command shows your current IP address? Use IP address show or ifconfig. Both commands display network interfaces and IP addresses. How can you test connectivity to another host on the network? Use ping. For example, ping google.com checks if you can reach Google's servers. What command is used to display the routing table? Use root or IP root. This shows how traffic is directed on your network. Package management. What command do you use to install a package in a Debian-based system? Use apt-get install package_name or apt-install package_name. This installs the specified package. How do you update all installed packages on a Red Hat-based system? Use yum update or dnf update. This updates all packages to their latest versions. File systems. How do you mount a file system in Linux? Use mount/dev/device_name/mount_point. This attaches the file system to the specified directory. How can you check the file system for errors? Use fsck. This command checks and repairs file system errors. Backup and recovery. What command can be used to create a compressed archive of a directory? Use tar czvf archive_name.tar.gz directory_name. This creates a compressed archive. How do you extract a tarball? Use tar xzvf archive_name.tar.gz. This extracts the contents of the archive. Thanks for watching.